Hello mga amigas, friends, nanamams, kuya, ati, daddy, mommy, inang, and tatang. Today is a beautiful day, but before that, I would like to say thank you to my subscribers. For those who are new, kindly tap the like and subscribe button for Mommy Scrups channel. Shout out to my new subscribers. Okay, and I would like to remind, okay, please subscribe, click the like and subscribe button. So for today, our review is all about this plant. Okay, so there are two distinct, one character that you are going to see for this kind of plant. Observe the leaf, wherein other plants, other varieties for this kind of plant in this specific family has the veins, which is either pink veins, red, or white veined leaf. Okay, so just observe that this kind of plant is having that venation, ugat, which is prominent, striking red color, striking pink color, or if not striking white color in the venation of this kind of plant. So this plant belongs to family Acanthaceae. Okay, so what is the common name for this kind of plant? So I will do it this way. What is the common name for this kind of plant? Okay, I am going to introduce three. Based from readings, there are a lot common names, but this one, we call this as nerve plant. Okay, or when we say nerve, ugat-ugaton. Okay, because of the presence of nerve-like patterns at the leaf, or if not, it is known also as a mosaic plant, or if not, it is also known as painted net leaf. Okay, so painted leaf, net leaf. If you are going to check into the leaf at your end, okay, you can see that the veins, okay, are opposite, okay, and it is colored red with the green, the surface, okay, which is leaf surface, which is dark green. And there is you can observe the clear patterns of the red veins that is at the adatial, or the surface, the one that is exposed to sunlight. Okay, however, if I am going to turn this one, the basal, or the underside, is light green, or let's check, okay, olive green. Okay, so see, and then for the venation, the pink veins at the underside, or at the basal, you can clearly feel the veins. Okay, so the pink at the topmost portion goes downward, but at the abacial, it is clearly felt. If you are going to feel the leaf, it is rough, okay, and that at the, okay, I am going to move it closer so that you can clearly see. Okay, so this is the petiole. Okay, what is a petiole? It is the connection between that of the leaf base and going into the stem. You can see that hair-like, white hair-like projection. So it is soft, but you can also see that there are hair-like projection. Okay, or we call that as trichomes. Okay, I told you before, trichomes, they are responsible for transpiration. Okay, so in other words, it inhibits transpiration. So for that hair-like projection, white which is white in color, you can observe that one at the underside of the pink vein. So it is clear at the abacial. So you can see that hair-like projection at the midrib. Okay, so this is the middle part. This is the middle vein. At the opposite, you can see the hair-like projection here. Okay, shape is oval to elliptical. Okay, leaf shape is, it runs between that of an oval to elliptical. Margin is entire. Okay, leaf base is cordate. When I say cordate, it seems that it is heart shape. And tip is, leaf tip is obtuse. Okay, not pointed. It is obtuse, but not also rounded. Okay, or it runs between obtuse to acute to subacute. So what is the scientific name for this kind of plant? This nerve plant, which is a combination of the olive green and the pink nerves or the veins, it belongs to family Fittonia, genus Verschaffeltii, or CV cultivar ruby red. Okay, so for ruby red, it is dark green. Okay, you can see the dark green with the markings of the pink veins. So that is the deep red veins. It's not pink, the deep red veins, which is found at the abacial. So again, this one is Fittonia Verschaffeltii ruby red. So why ruby red? It is because of the dark green and the dark red there. So this one is our nerve plant. See the coloration. There are other colors. I have the green and the white one, which is it has a different scientific name for a specific nerve plant. So see, kind of check. This is our nerve plant. How do we propagate this one? Okay, we just cut the stem, having projections of the roots. If you can observe that stem has or shows roots, okay, then we can divide that one and plant. What is this kind of plant? It needs filtered light or partial light, partial shaded, but it hates direct sunlight. Why? Because it causes browning of the leaf. Another thing, for its medium, okay, it likes moist soil, but it doesn't like a very wet soil. Why? It causes rotting or browning of the stem. Okay, and aside from that one technique, please do, if ever you can observe the presence of flower, kindly detach the flower. Why? Because it's just a waste of energy for the plant, because what is prominent with this kind of plant is the colored leaf, the nerves that is present on the leaf. So it if in case there are plenty of flowers, kindly remove that flower, because it is just a waste of energy by having that flower. So meaning to say, the distribution of energy, which is the food made by this kind of plant, okay, will be divided into the bloom and into the foliage. So this kind of plant, better for it to remove the flower than that of the having the flower, so that full observation, full coloration of the veins, which is found at the leaf. Okay, so you will achieve a better color of the leaf if you are going to remove the bloom of this kind of plant. So again, this kind of plant, okay, so to increase, again, another another technique, okay, so that you will have a full foliage of this plant, okay, you can cut some stems, remove the stems, so that on that area where you have cut, there will be growing of other stems, so foliage becomes lush. So again, scientific name for this kind of mosaic plant or nerve plant is Fittonia Verschaffeltii. Okay, so this was named by uh, after two persons, Elizabeth Fitton and Sarah May Fitton. So again, once again, this is our nerve plant. So thank you so much for watching my videos. I have noticed that there are plenty who are my viewers, but they are not my subscribers. So tanamam, please do not fail to click the subscribe button. So thank you so much for watching my video. For those who are new, shout out. Okay, I forgot to take your name, but shout out to Kent, who is always sharing, tweeting, retweeting my video. Thank you and God bless everybody.